To discuss yesterday, we continue today. I given some rules for oxidation number, how to calculate. Given those are okay. Shall we start our class? Think so. Everyone is joined. I hope. What I given last class concepts? We started oxidation number calculation. Means any rules I given. Those rules are can find what the last rule I given. Given for oxygen. For oxygen, I given oxide, oxidation number, everything. Okay, rules we given almost done. Rules. I think so. Oxygen I given. We can see little bit we given or not. You can find out. Halogens I given Cl, Br, I. These can show up to -1, +7. Sulfur can show -2 to +6. Is it given? Nitrogen can show -3 to, not only nitrogen, phosphorus, nitrogen both. -3 to +5. I think so. These, if you note down these are. Yes, note down. These are easy only. Generally, hydrogen can show +1. Please note down. Generally, hydrogen can show +1 oxidation state only in the case of metal hydrides. Metal hydrides like KH, NaH, CaH2, etc. Okay. In these cases, hydrogen is can show -1, sir. Please note down. -1, sir. So -1. Completed. Alright, these are the oxidation number which can use electrons per element. Okay. Phosphorus, nitrogen, they make and gain 3 electrons or they make lose up to 5 electrons also. For example, nitrogen can gain 3 electrons, will get N3 minus. Okay. Even nitrogen can lose electrons up to 5 electrons because nitrogen have, what is it, sir? 2, 5. This is the configuration. If they are gaining 3 electrons, they lose electrons, they get 2. Both are stable configuration because helium, neon, you can see, sir, neon, argon, which is the elements they are getting. These many electrons, those are stable. Helium atomic number 2, if they have 2 electrons, also stable. This is total 10, 10 also stable. This is 18. So if they have any these number of electrons, those are stable. Understood? So our target to get outermost electronic configuration equal to inert gases. Is it clear? So our target is to get 8 electrons outermost shell. What's your doubt, Girish Khanna? What's your doubt, sir? Are we are doing oxidation number? Yesterday I given completely what we are going to discuss this idea. Please refer that notes properly. Then you may can get idea what we are doing. We are continuing next class. Suppose you done 2 to 3 times our class notes, you may can understand easily. Clear? If you didn't revise, then you are expect directly right now means little bit difficult. Because mostly all these are new concepts for you. You people, you have to practice now well. Then you can expect. And this is suppose H2O. What they given, sir? The algebraic sum of oxidation number of all atoms in a neutral element molecule is 0. Means suppose this value is hydrogen is 2 into X I don't know how much hydrogen value. We can calculate later. X plus, okay, this is Y oxidation number of oxygen. But total, is there any charge on the molecule? No, that's equal to 0. So X and Y value have to calculate using this way. Same thing. For example, HNO3. Hydrogen value, you can start here X, assume that one, plus nitrogen, Y plus oxygen, Z equal to 0. If molecule doesn't have any charge, then you need to equal to 0. That is the meaning of the statement. We are going to be solve so many examples today. Okay, just find meaning. If molecule doesn't have any charge, that is equal to 0. That is the only point you need to understand. Okay, next point you can note down. If suppose molecule have charge, okay, right. If molecule charge molecule, if molecule having charge, sum of oxidation numbers equal to charge of the molecule. You can write. Okay, sum of oxidation numbers equal to charge of the charge on the molecule. For example, SO4 2 minus. So S, we don't assume that one X plus oxygen, assume that one Y value equal to -2. Okay, array 2 minus or -2 doesn't matter. This is only. So if molecules have charging, sum of oxidation number equal to charge on the molecule. For example, if you are getting, if any molecule is there, like this way only how to respond that one. Understood? MnO4 minus. You can try this is MnX, oxygen is Y equal to -1. Now we can apply all these concepts, which is already we discussed that one. Now we are going to be apply these rules, sir. Can you revise that rules are already given? Very few rules you can remember, you can get answers. Very easy, sir. Okay. Oxygen can show general action state how much? Oxygen. Given last class. Highest electronegative atom is fluorine. It can show always minus, sir. Always minus. When fluorine combined with any element, it can show only minus. After that, oxygen. If fluorine is not combined with fluorine, oxygen is not combined with fluorine, remaining all the cases, it is minus only. -2 only. All the cases -2. After that, you may have chlorine, nitrogen, all these things. Clear? Now I need, sir. Cl generally how much? Cl value generally -1. All 17th group element, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, those are generally -1. Okay, generally -1. When they combine with oxygen, then only they can show two charges. We can do some problems. We may get an idea. First thing, basic principle you can find out. When more electronegative atom combined with less electronegative atom, it will gain electrons. So this is electronegative order I given: fluorine, oxygen, chlorine, nitrogen. Okay. When oxygen combined with chlorine, so oxygen is negative charge, chlorine is positive charge. When oxygen combined with nitrogen, oxygen is negative charge, nitrogen is positive charge. So what you remember? You remembered hydrogen, how much generally hydrogen oxygen state? Hydrogen. Hydrogen how much generally? Hydrogen how much generally? +1. Hydrogen is generally +1. Huh? Only metal hydrides. Only metal hydrides -1. Otherwise +1 only. Understood? Oxygen -2. A few elements, 3 or 4 you can remember, you can get answers. Now we can start. Okay, these are the rules we given. If possible, little bit remember. Anyway, mostly at least which you are solving right now, if you are able to understand enough. Let's see, solving after now some people have doubt maybe you can see after solving some problems you can get answer. I need to calculate H2, okay, oxygen oxidation state. You can say directly answer oxygen is -2 sir, hydrogen is +1. No, but that is answer, no need to do that one. But I am giving process. Hydrogen generally +1 because oxygen is more electronegative atom, show only +1. So this is, you can take two hydrogens, each hydrogen is +1 plus oxygen I don't know, which is you don't know, you can assume X equal to, sir, how much value? I have to equal to sum of the oxidation numbers equal to neutral molecule 0. X equal to how much, sir? 2 plus X equal to 0, X equal to -2. So oxygen oxidation number is -2. Understood? Now we are trying some other examples, sir. N2O. Before that one, you can see easy one. Better. SO2. I need to calculate SO2. Sulfur, I don't know oxidation number, but oxygen is -2. We know very well. Oxygen is -2. Oxygen is -2 or not? Or oxygen -2. Is it correct? At least you have to know basic things. Hydrogen generally +1. Oxygen is -2. Nitrogen like this. Okay, we have to know. So now sulfur, I don't know X plus each oxygen is -2. 2 into -2 equal to how much? 0. There is no charge, that's why 0. Then X plus 4 equal to 0. X equal to +4. So this is the answer. Understood? Can you try SO3? Sulfur. Once you understood, you don't want to use pen also, sir. Directly you can give answers. These are not difficult mathematics. You don't want to use pen also if you understood these things. You can ask any doubt starting only. After we are doing all the sums, sir, please can you repeat? That is not good. Now we are doing starting. If you have any doubt, you can ask, sir. We'll discuss. Yes, very good. Sulfur is how much, sir? +6. Because sulfur, I don't know, this is X, but each oxygen is -2. So 3 into -2 equal to 0. Then X minus equal to 0. Then X equal to +6. Understood? Array, not X plus 6, X minus 6. What's your doubt? Water sum? Please let me know that one. I can't, which is Raghavendra, I think so. Raghavendra S, KVSS 11, Sri Raghavendra S. What's your doubt, sir? See, look that one. Hydrogen is 1, but how many hydrogens is there here? 2 hydrogens, that's why 2 into 1 plus X. Oxygen, I don't know, that's why oxygen value is X. So 2 plus X equal to 0, then X equal to -2. Yes. Two atom and sulfur, please note down if you have doubt. Oxygen is more electronegative atom than sulfur. Ashwin, what's your doubt, sir? Why 2 into -2? Array, each oxygen how much? -2. How many oxygens is there? 2 oxygens. You have into 2. Na? One oxygen is -2. Then 2 oxygens how much? Why sulfur have charge, na? Array sulfur, I don't know how much charge is there. That's why I'm assuming X. If you know already X, that value, then you don't want to calculate. Ashwin, okay. Sulfur have charge. That's only we are calculating. Sulfur X equal to plus 6 means X value whom that one? Sulfur only, na? Array, we are calculating sulfur value. We don't know sulfur value. That's we are calculating. If you know already sulfur, then no need to calculate. Still, any doubts, sir? Please. That is the rule, that one. Sum of the all oxidation numbers equal to 0. Positive, negative values will be cancelled. If you want, you can see here. Why you are taking 0, you are asking. Please check, sir. Array, hydrogen is 2 plus, then oxygen is 2 minus. Net will be cancelled or not? That's why we are getting 0. Here sulfur is plus 6, oxygen is minus 6. 3 into minus 2. Total will be cancelled or not? 0. That's why positive, negative will be 0. Total sum of the values will be 0. Any other, please? Harry, I'm going to give too many examples. You don't worry that one. But still, some people starting only they're striking. That's why I'm giving. Still, any doubts? Otherwise, you can proceed next example. Harry, your target is whatever I'm teaching. You understood or not? That is the keep your target. That's the only your target. Okay. So please check that one. Redox reactions they may contain. This is something. Doesn't matter, you can ask all doubts, no issue, but don't expect every time I can clear. But personally you can contact, I will help. That is fine. So shall we move next examples? The question is simple. Calculate oxidation number only, all the cases. Now I am going H2SO4. So you have to calculate oxidation number of underlying atom. Very simple, all sir. Okay. Hydrogen. How much generally hydrogen? 1. Is it correct? So 2 into 1. Plus 1, sir, this is. Plus sulfur, I don't know. X value. Plus each oxygen how much? Minus 2. But how many oxygens here? 4. Sum of the oxidation numbers equal to 0. Is there any charge? No. 0. So 2 plus x minus 8 equal to 0. Is it correct? Then plus 2 minus 8. How much will you get, sir? X minus x equal to 0. Then x equal to plus 6. Anyone you got same answer? Please check it. Let me know if any doubt also. Good, sir. So most of the people they are giving correct answers. Good, good. Any doubt here? Shall we do more number of sums now? Even if you are not able to get no issue, will give again answers also. But try yourself. I'm expecting from you just you are trying or not. Or I'm teaching just process how to reach your target. Just process only. But yourself you have to get all the knowledge. Question is same, sir. Find the oxidation number of the following underlying atoms. The oxidation number of underlined atom. Okay. Fine, please. H2SO3. If N2I given means you can take 2x. Are you getting my point? If N2I given means you can take 2x. If you are not getting no issue, I will solve again. Try first note down all the questions, then solve your answers. I will give my answers and matching or not you can check. First note down all examples, then try your answers. After you are completed, I will give my answers correct and you can match it. Clear? If you want any one example, unknown example also, you can do that one. Please read first rule which is I given first point also you can read, sir. Huh? First when I elemental state zero action state, that point you have to remember. Okay. Try your answers. Once we completed, let me know. I will give my answers. Array P means phosphorus. P means phosphorus. That's why you have to read complete your periodic table. Things I told, 2 groups you have to learn. I don't know how many people you completed. 2 groups will be complete. And some people they are exiting my class before class ending. Okay, why you don't have this? I seen that one last class means 5 minutes before is there. I think so 2 to 3 minutes. You are yourself your exit. When I told class is complete, then only have to exit, na? Completed, fine. I actually don't want to use pen also, sir. These are. We know electronegative atoms, which is oxygen. Each oxygen -2 required. So suppose 5 oxygens into 5. You can do that is. Now I'm writing answers. Okay. If any question out of this you have doubt, you can ask. We will discuss. But once my concept is completed, you can't say, sir, I didn't stand. What I don't like. Before that one, you can ask. Before closing the concept, number of times you can ask doubts. No issue. Here sulfur is +4, sir. +5. +3. +1. +5. +3. +5. So this color is okay. Or you can write red. +3. +1. +5. +7. +7. +1. -3. -1/3. +6. +8. +6. +6. +6. +6. +4. +7. +5. Please check your answers. If you have doubts with this molecule, you can see. Array, which sum you have doubt? You make a chart that send that molecule. I will solve that question. Leo Godwin, what you are doing, sir? Previous also done, na? Some same process you have to apply. If you don't know any question, I will do that one, no issue. But try to do that thing. Array one, are you able to see my screen? Array Xe means xenon. Xe means xenon inert gas, that is. షాక్ కొడుతుంది డాడీ నాన్న క్లాస్ ఉన్నా నాన్న క్లాస్ ఉన్నా లేదు బజ్జ అయితే పడుతుంది తీసుకోవాలి which one you need? Okay, fine. Someone they're asking N3H also they're asking XeO2F2. Fine. I think my screen are able to see my screen. And I'm solving here. N3H. I don't know N value, sir. X. But how many N is there? 3. 3X. Plus each hydrogen I know that one. Plus 1. Equal to, there is no charge. That's why 0. Then X equal to minus 1 by 3. Next. XeO2F2. Xe values are, I don't know, this is X. Xe means xenon. Okay. Inert gas this is. Plus oxygen 2 into minus 2. Plus F value 2 into minus 1 equal to 0. So X, array this is minus 2, no? Sorry. Oxygen is minus 2. 2 into minus 2 means minus 4. Minus 2 equal to 0. X minus 6 equal to 0. X equal to plus 6. So you got X equal to plus 6. Any other example, please? Array, now done these 2 questions. Can you try which you have doubt also again one more time? Can you try one more time your doubt? Please try one more time your own doubt, which is Kaushik Babu. Already I done XeO2F2. Please can you try one more time? Why don't like if nitrogen have fractional oxygen state? Don't like. Is there any rule that should not contain fractional? Array, doesn't matter what they given symbol. Don't think that one. Whatever symbol they give, that is X. Remaining elements, you know, that one. Try it. Swati. Why, madam, you can't CO3? Oxygen, you don't know how much value? Please do right now. Oxygen value how much? Oxygen. Each one oxygen how much? X you don't know. Assume that is X value, na? Array, you know, element or not doesn't matter here. Which is I am asking that oxygen state you can assume X value. Then remaining you can calculate. And HClO4 hydrogen you don't know value. Oxygen you don't know value. Cl is X. Then do that one now. Hariharan, please do right now. HClO4. Oxygen is -2 only, na? If you write plus, that is compulsory. Okay. Array hydrates I didn't given na that one here. I given anywhere hydrate element here. Metal hydrate. When hydrogen combined with metal, then only possible. I didn't given anywhere here hydrate. So you don't worry about that -1 hydrogen. Take generally hydrogen +1 only. Okay. I didn't mention anywhere hydrates here. Yes, yes. Oxidation number means how many electrons you lost, how many electrons you are gaining. That's only, sir. Array N3H already solved that one. Vidushan. I think you are sleeping now. Only wake up. Huh? I done first question only. That's only, na. N3H. I done first question only. Array, you have to keep plus point. That is better. That is not hydrate. N is not metal. Okay. N is not metal. Array Ashwin, what is the problem? Why you need that chapter name? I told already. Reaction we are doing that one. Huh? Learn these concepts. Any other doubt? Any other doubt, please? H2SO4. Someone they're asking, sir. What's your doubt here? H2SO4. HClO4 are asking some people. HClO4 or H2SO4 same pattern. H is 1 plus Cl I don't know X plus oxygen 4 into -2 equal to 0. Then X equal to, this is 1 plus -8 equal to 0. Then X minus 7 equal to 0. Then X equal to +7. First word again, please write on paper, you can get answers. Otherwise, practice same examples later, you may get. Shall we go next? Any other example? If 2 atoms is there, you can assume 2x, then calculate 1x value. For example, Cl2O7, I'm going to solve, sir. Cl2O7. So this is 2x. I don't know that is. Plus 7 into -2 equal to 0. Then 2x minus 14 equal to 0. Then 2x equal to 14. Then x equal to 14 by 2. Nothing but 7. Plus 7. Any other? Cl is -1 only, no? Generally -1 Cl. When Cl is combined with oxygen, then they can show positive because oxygen is more electronegative than chlorine. That's why. Take carbon is -1 compared to hydrogen. Carbon is minus only. Yes, correct only. Na N2 is +1 only. What's wrong? N2 is +1. N2O. Take this is 2x plus this how much, sir? -2 into 1 equal to 0. Then 2x equal to +2. Then x equal to 1 only. So I hope done all example. Hey, what's your doubt here? Huh? XeOF4. Now try. Why did you get answer? Please try it now. How much are you to answer? Try. Oxygen is minus F is minus 4 plus 6. You don't want to solve even question also. Total sum of minus equal to sum of positive. So oxygen is minus 2, F is minus 1 into 4. Minus 4 total plus minus 6, and then xenon should be plus 6. Next question. Please note down here. Next question. Same sir, similar. SO4 2 minus. If charge is there, how to solve? Next. Cr2O7 2 minus. Assume this is sulfur, we don't know which is X plus each oxygen minus 2, 4 into minus 2 equal to how much charge is there sir here? Minus 2 or 2 minus, both are same, minus 2. X minus 8 equal to minus 2, then X equal to minus 2 plus 8, nothing but plus 6. Can you try chromium? Can you try chromium, anyone? Can you try chromium? Plus 6. Yes, yes, sir. Very good. Correct answers. You can find here this is 2x. 7 into minus 2 equal to minus 2. Then 2x minus 14 equal to minus 2. Then 2x equal to 12. X equal to plus 6. Sri Raghavendra, how we got chromium 7, sir? But everyone they got plus 6. Even I also got plus 6. How? Swati also plus 1. How did you got? Charges are not. Charge. These are not new molecule. Previously 0, that's why plus 7. Now here minus 2 is there, na? So minus 2 means you need to consider or not? Are you able to see my screen? 207 minus. I solved x equal to plus 6. You got that value? Got answer, everyone? Fine. Next examples. There is some exceptions also will be there. Those also will give. Okay. Please down note. Maximum oxidation number of any element is equal to its valence electrons. Right. Please note down that point. Note down the statement. Maximum oxidation number of any element is equal to its valence electrons. Completed. One of the our friend asking continuously what is the charge of acetic acid, sir? Okay. This is the structure of acetic acid. You can't solve average, you can do, otherwise each carbon. This carbon attaches to how many oxygen, sir? So this is +3 will get, and here -3 will get. Net 0. This is only one of the students they are asking for them. Purpose I given this is, but not related to the statement. Not related to the statement. We can see next one. NO3, sir. Nitrogen. How many valence electrons nitrogen? N is 2, 5. Is it correct? So maximum how many electrons they can lose? 5. That is the reason you can calculate that nitrogen is +5 only oxidation state. 1 plus X minus 6 equal to 0. Then X equal to +5. You can't get more than 5. If you are getting more than 5 means your answer is wrong, sir. Sulfur. Sulfur is 16. 16 means 2, 8, 6. So how many electron they can lost? Maximum 6. You may can find out H2S sulfur also. Sulfur is 6 only here. 2x 2 into 1 plus x minus 4 into 2 equal to 0. Then x equal to +6. Maximum they can lose +6. Maximum they can lose +6. Sudarshan K. What's the problem if next class whatever I'm going to teach? Huh? Why you are worrying that one? Now concentrate these questions. Yes, sir. Yes, they will give charges in examination. If they have any charge, they will give charge also. Any difficult this one? You understood that point? Maximum oxidation state equal to group number. Sorry, valence electrons. You noted on that point? Maximum oxidation number of any element equal to its valence electrons. You note down. Now we are proving, sir. Nitrogen maximum how many they can lose? 5. Sulfur how many they can lose? Maximum 6 electrons. And if you give positive sign, that is good. Okay. Any other? Shall we do one more question? Kaushik Babu, what is why N2 means? I don't know. I'm not understanding your question. Huh? Try. These are examples. One more example. KMnO4, Mn oxidation state. K2Cr2O7, chromium oxidation state. K2Cr O4, chromium oxidation state. H2C2O4, carbon oxidation state. I2 oxidation state. N2. Try these oxidation numbers. Array Blossom Harith. What's your getting, sir? N2 oxidation state. +1 you should be get. And what's your doubt? Array oxygen I don't take maximum, which is central atom you have to take, which can lose electrons. That is you have to take maximum value. Are you getting? Harit, we are calculating for oxygen or nitrogen. I'm telling which can lose electrons maximum, loss of electrons we are talking about. Gain of electron depends upon how many electrons required to get unit gas configuration. Clear? For N2 is plus 2. Why you are not getting? Check. Array Mn is plus 7. You got answer? Plus 6. Plus 6. Plus 3. 0. 0. Array someone they are asking N2O. What is the difficult? I don't know, sir. Nitrogen I don't know. 2x. Oxygen is minus 2 equal to 0. Then 2x equal to plus 2. Then x equal to how much, sir? Plus 1. What is the difficult here? Why don't you get this point? You done mistake? Array that's not telling that one. N2 is separate alone 0. But N2 when combined with you should not take 0. Okay? N2 is alone 0. N2 is not combined with any other one. N2 is alone. That's why 0. KMNO4. Potassium. What's the oxygen state? Potassium. Everything. If you are not remembering rules, you can't play game very well. That's up to you. Level I can't do. Please refer backside. Go and refer your class notes. Give answer. I have done say attend too many questions. Now we have to take challenge. Every question I can do answers are like that. You have to solve. Vidushan, potassium is -1. I given sir anywhere. Please check your class notes. I never given -1 potassium. G Vidushan. +1. All first A group elements can show +1. Then how got -1, sir? Where do you create this oxidation number? Array already you have that numbers. That's also I can't remember. Please don't create any new things. Huh? Then do KMNO4. Physical only, sir. This chapter belongs to physical only. Okay, hyphen then fine. Don't write hyphen. Huh? Minus we have, na? That's why. Otherwise, keep +1. What's your doubt here? Potassium is 1. Someone they're asking, that's why. Plus Mn, I don't know, x. Plus each oxygen 4 minus 2 equal to 0. 1 plus x minus 8 equal to 0. K2Cr2O7. Again, potassium 2 into 1 plus 2x. Then 7 into minus 2 equal to 0. Then 2 plus 2x minus 14 equal to 0. Then 2x equal to 12, x equal to plus 6. Doubts, please? Really, if you understood, you make maybe some question you are not getting, but still you can enjoy this one. This concept is easy one. Any doubts? Array, please learn all element symbols. Huh? KMnO4 is the Mn is the one element, that is single element, manganese. If nitrogen means I will keep capital N. Mn is the one element, manganese. Please learn all the symbols. I told you yesterday you have to remember two groups. Today again two groups you have to remember, sir. Boron family, carbon family. These two groups you have to remember today. S3PO4, P gains 1 electron, then how P is stable? Who told that one? S3PO 1 electron they are gaining. P lost 3 electrons, S3PO3. Check it, answer key. K2Cr2O4 identity given. K2Cr4 only given. Example. I given only K2Cr04, not see K2Cr04. This is not K2Cr2O4. Please note down. You made a mistake that you didn't get answer. Any other? Fine. I think so. I given homework total 4 groups. Yesterday 2 groups. Today 2 groups. 4 groups. You have to learn completely. And related problems we can solve. Previous questions also already there based on this one. Remaining questions we can do next class. Previous JE questions. Here. Practice and come next class. Don't come directly. Are you getting my point? If you without practice you are coming means then you are asking continuous doubts, but we can't go further. So you please practice class notes very well and same example practice again, then come back. Clear? I have to learn periodic table. Periodic table you have to learn. Yesterday I given 2 group elements is the homework. S block elements. Then today I am asking P block elements. This is the P block elements in the periodic table. 6 groups is there. 6 groups you have to learn. I think yesterday I given homework only 2. Today I am giving 2 groups here, P block. Next 2. So you need to complete by this weekend. Complete S block and P block. Conditions are going to give sir next exam. This is the only exam. If you done any one mistake, you have to write complete periodic table 5 times. So learn and practice on rough paper more. Take break. We'll see you later. Okay, take break. Next class. Lesson is not completed. Understood? I'm expecting first practice and come to again we'll discuss doubts. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you.